Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out. Because you're reigning, defending, undisputed number one educational speaker in the whole world, is your host.
With the most.
Yeah, that should be a threat enough.
Yes. A warning, actually.
Exactly. Okay.
A
warning. Thank you very much, my brother. That's a warning because when you come here, we're going to invite people, guys. People must come, please.
Yes.
Call me,
DM.
so that you can be in the ring.
Yes.
But, guys, as I warned you, your opinion might not make it out. My brother,
Yes.
how's it, vandaag?
Always good.
Always good?
Always good.
Thank you very much.
What about you?
No, I'm always good, my brother. I'm always happy, my brother. As long as we are in front of the camera.
It is a choice, though.
I feel like home.
It's a choice. Even beyond, like, the cameras,
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Yeah.
Because to be happy at always, at all times, I think you are opening your mind to learn
Yes.
new things.
To be happy is to be loving.
Thank you very much. My brother, today I want to talk about something.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm really concerned about it. Because our children are learning, our future leaders, and us as people, we are learning. Everyone and like.
Yes.
So I want us to talk about the YouTubers.
YouTubers.
Yes.
They did something.
People with podcasts like us.
Yes.
Did
they do something?
Yeah. Some of them.
Yes.
Some of them. Because
something like
exploiting other people. Something like sending wrong messages.
Yes. Okay, I've realized.
Yeah. Something like saying things about people with no facts. You understand? Yes. And forgetting Leo, it can hurt that person.
Yes.
It can hurt their families. It can hurt their friends.
In many ways.
Yes. So there will be no peace.
Yeah.
So I personally think that those people should be addressed, my brother.
They should be.
Yeah.
Like everything else which is destructive.
Yes. And especially podcasters now. In particular.
Specifically, yes.
Yeah. Right. In particular, those people. Because I've been from this podcast to another.
Yes.
I
remember you told me.
Yes. I experienced things. I experienced how they work.
Yes. You stimulating my curiosity.
Yeah. Because there was even this guy from Obaba was in Natal. Yeah. I like to respect him because I respect him so much.
Yes.
Yeah. He was fighting for me, actually. He was asking, this guy went from this podcast to this podcast, but he's still crying about just 1,000 inyana, coffee corner. What is going on, guys? So he was talking about exploitation.
Yes. Which is happening. It's real.
I experienced that.
Yes.
Yeah. I thought this is a good platform. To talk about that.
And you took your time.
Yes. Because the fact here was to teach.
Yes.
Not to maybe actually to be against someone in a bad way.
Yes.
Yes. But
that's the problem. Man.
People are lying. I think nobabu dokotela uzohlangana nale video baba ngivumelana nawe abanye ama podcaster ayase ang-exploitile kahle personally wabona although maybe wena baba ubukhuluma nje from the distance ubona lento ulalela ama video uyangithola yeah so he hasn't found the words from me answering that.
So this is the first time.
This is the first time. I'm saying I'm agreeing with you, Baba. Some people here on the podcast are not okay.
Yes.
I'm not okay. Starting with Chris Network. I'm telling you.
Oh shit.
Yes, because I have fact, man.
Yes.
Starting with Chris Network.
I know you wouldn't just say that.
No.
Yes.
Wabona? Those guys are exploiting other people. At least me now, personally.
Yes.
Yeah.
So is there a story behind that?
Okay, there is a story.
Okay.
An explanation as to how.
Yeah.
Let me start by saying the word exploitation. I didn't understand it better.
Yes.
Not
as much as you do now, at least.
Yes, but even now I'm still saying I don't understand the word 100%.
Oh.
I will just tell a story.
Yes.
Yeah, or give on sorry, why can exploitate?
Yes.
Empty promises. After every show, I went 5 times there. After every show, they will be promised that I just verbally, or I prior guy tumela something. Tumela something, which never happened.
Yes, till this day.
And Ubaba Lo, the father that was that I'm talking about, Ubaba
Yes.
He left me 1,000 rand.
Okay.
To Chris, the podcaster himself.
Yeah.
He left 1,000 there, and then only to find on that day, this father wanted to meet me.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I was in Pretoria to other podcasts.
You were busy
on that day.
Okay.
Wabon. So we never get to see each other, no baba. Wabon. So he left 1,000 rands for me, just to support me. I appreciated that a lot, man. Because we never met with him.
Yes.
So he left 1,000 for me, and and then I saw the video that he made.
It makes sense.
Later stage.
Okay.
It's okay. Uyangithanda baba. Ubona umsebenzi wami wobona sibanisaka.
He appreciates it.
He appreciated me, So I was grateful. So that money, I never got it cash.
Yes.
Like that 1,000. This guy gave me, I'm talking about Chris now, the podcaster himself, the host of Chris Network. He gave me 700 rand.
From the 1K.
And from 1,000 rand. And he said he will give me that money. And then I should make a video. He said that I should make a video and tell Ubabu Togotela through the video.
Yes.
And thank him and say, Babu Togotela ngitholile 1,000. I asked him because I'm smart, man.
Yes.
I said, hey, Baba, what if you don't give me? Yes. And I already done a video. Our uppercut. He called me that. Apacado. Apacado, you know me. I will give you, my brother. And I asked myself, you will give me how? When you don't give me transport money, when? He just gave me transport money, this guy once. First time, first video.
Yes.
With you. He sent me 100 rand. And the next time, o tla 10 rand, can I 10 rand?
Which is a lie, probably.
At some point, I borrowed money from here, from my home, and then I go to Chris. Whereas it's an invitation, he invited me. And I feel like ana chalete ya go ke gole. Ke setse ka sekoloto now. One challenge to the shop. I get that on 300. And then I get to call him now.
Yes.
After a few weeks. Chris, can't do it alone.
Yeah, I've been waiting.
Yeah. He's a guy. I called him again. Chris, what you are doing is not okay.
Yes, definitely not.
It's not alright, man. I trusted you. You said I should trust you.
Yes.
Is this the trust you were talking about now? He sent me 200.
Yes.
He sent me 200 via
Yes.
Hey, he sent me 200. Now I was confused as to how much now left. Because he sent me 200 and he never answered my call till this day. So isn't that an exploitation?
It is.
It is.
It's a form of exploitation.
Thank you.
Yes.
That is why now I'm saying he exploited me.
Yes.
I'm not fighting. I don't want that 100 rand back because now it's like it is only in my mind now.
Yes.
No. But he knows. It's a fact.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying my brother, please treat other people okay.
Yes.
And other people who are acting like him,
Mm.
who are exploiting people.
Yes.
One tell my brother, we should just be fair.
Mm.
Play fair, man.
Be human.
Be human.
Mm.
We all need money.
Yes.
If that's what we are after,
Mm.
by exploiting other people. We all need money, guys, please.
Mm.
Yes. Yeah, and my brother, you know what? I just, as I stated those points,
yes.
It's true, it's fact.
Yeah.
Mm. And I have close to 3-4 podcasters who exploited me.
Okay.
So
number 2?
Number 2, let me say, we will talk about that to the next video.
Oh.
Please, man.
Okay.
Why, boy?
Right.
I don't attack anyone here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But they know.
Mm. They know what they did.
They know what they did.
Mm.
Why, boy? Hey, I was exploited from the first podcast I did on YouTube.
Mm.
That one, people can get it if they will Google.
Yes, they'll find it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I will talk about it next time.
Mm.
Yeah. So I'm saying this again because I want my boys to learn.
To be aware.
Or some people have empty promises. But me, if you ask me, my brother, I never went to social media or to any podcast for money.
Yes. Just to teach.
Yeah.
Mm.
South Africa needed to hear my voice.
Yes. Your insight.
My boys in South Africa and girls needed to hear how I think.
Mm.
Yes. That's what I was pushing. Because again, as you know, man, I'm an ex-convict, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, social media wise, it was, I want to apologize, I want to heal.
Yes.
And I want to teach from my experiences.
Mm.
Yes. Not to be exploited here.
Mm.
But these people, they are promising me.
Yeah, you never asked for it. Yes. They're the ones who be like,
they know.
When I give you this.
Yeah, by chap about.
Yeah, they setting themselves up.
Yeah, by chap about.
Yeah.
I'm born I'm real. I'm genuine.
Before he's already
genuine. Yeah. Plus I'm a good spirit, my brother. They know Lebona.
Yes.
So I'm saying this, I'm not angry. Happy.
Yes.
I still say, Chris, you're my guy.
Yes. No hate.
Yeah?
No hate.
No hate, my brother.
Man.
No hate, my brother. Never.
It's all love.
Yeah, I don't have that anymore.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't have
so
that.
unnecessary and so draining.
Yeah. Because just imagine if I'm promising you something voluntarily without you asking.
Yes.
You're going to count on that. You're going to count on me for that.
Yeah.
And then I don't deliver. It is draining in that way.
It is.
It is draining. So many things I can say about the YouTubers.
Yes.
But I will. Don't worry. And people at home, my uppercut, better the uppercut. As I said, your opinion might not make it out if you are in here.
But you are always more than welcome to come.
Exactly. But now I would advise be genuine.
Yes, be real.
Be real. Because we are here for real people, Rona.
How ironic is it though that people be saying things like, I want a real one, or I want real ones in my corner, but then whenever there is a real one, they take it or take him or her for granted.
The problem is you are not real yourself.
But then you want a real one.
Yeah.
Well, why are you lying?
You want stupid. When? You know, people, they define a real people, a good human being.
Yes.
If you allow shit that they are doing. You understand?
So that's being real.
Yeah. If you cover the shit that they are doing, you're always covering them up. You don't expose them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why not say it that way then? I just want it stupid. Don't say
because they are crooks.
No, they're not real.
They're not real themselves.
Okay, now it makes sense.
Why, my brother?
Yes.
Hey, they are real. They are not real themselves, in
Mm.
fact. So that's a big problem.
Mm.
Because
Yes.
YouTube is watched, in fact, social media
Mm.
is watched by our next generation,
Yes.
future leaders, our children,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
So, us saying these children are watching things that are not good on social media. Who
Yes.
posted that thing that is not good?
Mm. That's
Us
the problem.
elders again.
Exactly. Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Yes. We're exploiting each other here. We are liars here.
Yeah.
What's it with a lie?
We're glorifying lies.
Yes. And then we are saying real people are fake.
Yes.
They are quick to say that.
Yes. Maybe it's because there's more of them than the real ones.
Exactly, they hide. There's
Yes.
more of them, and then you know what? They are consistent
In that.
in that. But
Hence,
remember,
we have a society.
exactly, lies need to be covered,
Yes.
need to be pushed, need to be supported.
Yes, maintain.
You must try hard.
Yes. Try hard,
lies.
work hard.
Work hard, day and night. But
So-
with real things,
Mm.
you just put the real thing out there.
Yes.
And then you don't have to wake up during the night
And worry and stress.
and stress and say,
And be paranoid.
or people are waking you up.
Yes.
End of to 10, we will not so.
Mm.
But if you are real,
Yeah.
no one will wake you up
Yes.
while you're sleeping.
Yeah.
Or what?
Yes.
Hey, the one that is fighting, they will ask, Ramotsos na.
Yeah.
Ramotsos. Otlo. Arami.
Yeah. yeah, I've seen that before.
They always do that.
Mm.
So, my guys, YouTubers, let us not do wrong
Yes.
to other people, guys. Let's respect each other. I always say respect. You must go deep
Yes.
with respect, man. Because you've got nothing to lose.
Yeah.
You have more to win
With respect.
with respect.
Mm.
Or what?
Yes.
You can win your peace.
Mm.
You can win your respect back.
Yes.
Because you don't have to force respect here.
Mm.
No one will respect you by force. Who respect the anyway?
Yes.
Why be not forced?
Mm.
Or force?
If really we have to be forced to respect you, then it's
Yeah.
not worth it. Probably.
It's not worth it because you are forcing it.
Yes. It's not you.
We're gonna say I will respect you. We're
It's
gonna,
not happening
it's
for a
not.
reason.
yeah, why is not happening?
Exactly. Because you're telling us that it must happen.
Exactly. And what are you doing? Why do you have to tell us?
Mm.
Why?
Yes.
We will see. We have eyes.
Yes.
We have brains to think.
Mm.
And we have mouth to tell.
Yes.
Which we respect you.
This is worth respect.
Understand?
Because it's respectful, probably.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
So, thing that the YouTubers say, especially the podcasters
Yes.
in particular.
Yeah.
I'm angry at those people, but in a positive way.
Oh, yeah? Would
Why
you mind
not?
elaborating on that?
Which means I'm saying to them, I'm angry
Yes.
because they don't do good with other people.
Mm.
But I'm not fighting.
Yes. You just
About-
reprimanding.
Yes, I'm just reprimanding them and many more
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah.
Wabona?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, let's say by otherwise even with a Christian Ezra,
Yes.
Yeah.
As a chief.
you are invited, my brother. You are very
Respectfully
much.
so.
You know me. You know me better. When I'm with a Chris. I actually let me say this
Yes.
because I can't get you here on the
Yes.
call, my brother, and I don't want to send message via somebody
Oh, yes.
call wise.
Yeah.
Wabona? So I'm taking this opportunity
Yeah.
right now
Yeah.
to say, Buddha Chris, I'm inviting you, my friend,
Formal invitation.
in the ring.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Anytime, call me, my brother. Thank you very much. Or contact me on my social media. Or put your comment in here. Thank you very much, Buddha Chris. He's my guy.
Yes.
Wabona?
Mm.
Yeah, together with the guys that he's working with.
Yes.
Very good guys, those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just mistakes.
Kanda and James.
Yeah.
Those guys are good guys.
Oh, they work together.
They work together as a
Oh,
team.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a team.
Mm.
But the other one, Chris, Chris is a host, right?
Yes.
Ganda
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, behind the scene.
Yes.
And no James, my favorite guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why
like
is
all
that?
the
Okay.
yeah
Editing
and stuff.
Okay.
He makes it all
Yes.
one tell my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lived with those guys.
Mm.
They know I respect them too much, and they
Yes.
know I respect other people.
Yes.
I'm not just talking.
Yeah.
Respect. They know.
Yes.
I'm not just talking peace. They know.
Mm.
Yeah. So the guy is invited whenever.
Whenever
You got time, my brother.
Yes.
Come sit here in the ring.
I'll make space for you.
Thank you very much, my brother. Otherwise,
Otherwise, me.
When what's on your mind?
There's nothing in my mind nowadays,
Come on, man.
I don't like clinging,
All right.
Yeah.
But about the issues that maybe are troubling the world, the country.
Not
you personally,
Yes.
Yeah. Where now what you see is wrong. Maybe let me say musically.
Yes.
What do you think might happen so that everyone can be accommodated? Everyone, educated or not. Even those who know nothing, my brother, they can easily access the as to how things are going musically. Yeah.
Okay, you know what I would say to that?
It's a dog eat dog.
I have nothing to say to
It's
that.
a dog eat dog. You say I
Not necessarily. But we do have to see ourselves and be real with ourselves,
Yeah.
Really take accountability.
All right.
In the sense that we don't run away from
us, from ourselves.
No.
From reality.
From love.
All right.
I don't know. I can't think of a better way to put it.
Yeah.
It's like we running away from ourselves.
Yeah.
By running away from love.
Which I always preach, which we were born with love, we learned hate.
Yes.
Which means love, that's what we are. That's how we should live with love. And with love, there will be no liars. Until, there is no cruelty there. Because you have love. Think about the child,
man. Yes.
But even if they are poor in their family, the child will always be happy.
Yes.
As a child, as long as they are fed.
It's because they're not in their minds.
Come again?
They are not in their minds.
All right.
Yes. They're not inside their minds. Unlike us adults. Because it's like when we grow up, the process of growing up, going through school.
Yeah.
It's a process of teaching us to depend on our minds.
All right.
In a way which is driven by fear. Like, you have to hold on to this information, otherwise you're gonna fail. And when you fail, it's a bad thing. It's like these small things, these ideas which we've been taught throughout our lives.
To fail is not a bad thing. Actually.
It's not. But then again,
it's gaining an experience.
Yes. But then they picture it. I don't know who.
Yeah.
But then it's pictured in a way that if you don't fear the bad outcome, then you're gonna experience the bad outcome. And experiencing the bad outcome is a bad thing.
Okay.
It's not.
It's not.
Everything that happens for a reason. So when it comes to good or bad, I don't really relate
to me, a bad thing is to quit.
Yes.
For me.
Yes.
Rather than to fail. To fail, I think,
Is to learn.
it's time to, yes, and to gather experience. Because when now can see I go grade 12, ne?
Yes.
Or grade 10, 11. Otsamaye before na to the university. Okay, Neda. Do you know her na because faith for the first time? For the second time, I do what I know.
Yes.
I just have to perfect it. Understand?
Yeah.
So do you know her nka go varsity with more marks than you?
Probably.
You know?
Yes.
Hey, because I did not quit. And that knowledge that I learned previous year, where is it?
Yes.
It is still in me.
It's more instilled.
Exactly.
Compared to the next person.
Exactly. Because I learned it twice. I went through it twice.
Yes.
With the very same passion.
Yes. Okay, but then let's just a small part of it, of what I was getting to. Like we become overly dependent on the mind.
Yeah.
While the fear is there. The fear is there, right? And it's in the mind.
Yeah. And so, it's destructive.
Yes, because everything now is filtered in what's on the mind. Through what's on the mind. You know, what's in the mind.
Yeah.
Through what's in the mind.
I was saying to other platform that, you know, people are focusing more on what people will say.
Yes.
There's this a fear of failing, right?
Yes.
Yes. What people will say. Why are you worried about other people? While you want this way, nah?
Yes.
It's way,
about
nah,
them.
No, it's not about them.
That's so true.
Unless you copy.
Yes.
And then you'll be scared. Which, hey,
Yes.
But if it's yours, it's new.
It's uniquely you.
It's new food.
Yes.
Yes. And it's you there. How many people will like that?
Yes.
If there is no fear of producing it, you know, many people have ideas, man. It's just that
fear is in the mind.
Exactly. And I will always say this. But
that's what I'm talking about. It's like,
yeah, children cannot explore.
Yes. We are restricted through every stage.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
whether
now
it's crèche, high school, home, it's like it's a script. Yes. It's like, so limiting.
Like the other issue is this one, my brother. Jesus issue.
Oh yes.
Over restricted. Jesus issue. Man, I've been told about Jesus from Sunday school, my brother.
Yes.
At a very young age. My first day in church, I was told about Jesus. At school, I was told about Jesus and his whoever.
Yes.
Suddenly now, man, there are rumors all over the country now, all over the world now. That no, this thing of Jesus is a blue lie.
Yes. And this is something you've believed in for most of your life, probably.
Yeah, my brother.
Yes.
And my grandmother always said,
Why is it that way though?
Is this thing of being restricted?
Exactly.
And now my problem there again is we were restricted from
ourselves,
from when we were born.
Oh yes.
By Hokolobe and everything. One child, my brother. To me, it was all good. It was all godly. Until now, there are rumors now, and these other people cannot answer. I'm talking about leaders.
Yes.
Or what? These other leaders of saying Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
Yes.
They can't answer these people who are saying it's a lie. And these people are trying so hard to come with evidence
that it's a lie.
That is a lie. And now, which one is this one? It's confusing, really confusing. What are we going to teach our children? And now I want Jesus is there. He was not a story.
Yes.
He's a only son of God.
Hmm.
Whereas myself, I was thinking I'm a son of God.
How?
But now
How is he the only son
yeah,
of God?
they say he's the only one.
Or maybe it's the way we take it. Maybe we're taking it too literally. Because obviously I think
the powerful one.
Nah, he's meant to symbolize a way of being.
Yes.
Like, you know, he apparently, what you call?
These people, don't forget, knew Jesus as a person.
He advocated for love, though.
Yes.
You know, such things.
Yes.
It's a way of being. It's like being yourself. Apparently, he came to free the people from the minds.
Okay.
No, teach them how to be human, to be the self. You know, to be loving, not to be like animals, killing each other. Animals kill each other.
Yeah.
We see that.
Yeah.
And yet we are humans. We don't classify ourselves as animals.
Yeah.
And yet we behave like animals.
Okay.
So he wasn't like that. He was a revolutionary, fighting against that.
All right.
Yes.
Let me point out this before you go on, my brother. They say, I mean, it's on record.
Yes.
They say, you just have to research. They say, Jesus' story it's just the character.
Yes.
It's not the one.
Yes.
It's changed.
Yeah,
and some of things that he does. And some of things that he does. Why you gonna writing as well?
Yes.
Hey. So to me, now it's confusing. It's like how you feel.
Yes. About it, how you choose to see it. Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
For most people though, it's a script.
Exactly.
They take it too literally.
Exactly.
They take it in a mental way. Hence I was also talking about, you know, people being taught to depend heavily on their minds. Which are filled with fear.
Yeah. Like there is God here. I see him.
You follow me?
Yeah, I see him here.
He's outside of you at the same time because
you're
trying to grasp.
Exactly.
And you're trying to grasp. It's like trying to grasp your own hand.
Yeah.
With your,
own hand.
Exactly. It's like you are the fucking. Well, what are you fucking trying to grasp?
Yeah.
You are the thing.
You are the thing.
You follow me? So like it's been weaponized.
Yeah.
The whole story.
Exactly.
Well, at least that's how I see it.
Okay, so are you agreeing with the fact that the character is not the real character?
He's been twisted.
Yeah. There was Jesus, but this is not Jesus. The one that we are seeing on the photos.
You know, whoever went on about this thing is very smart. He made it in a way that, like, obviously he knew he had followers.
Yeah. Jesus had followers.
Yes.
All right.
Then he took the man and symbolized him.
Okay.
Made him
and
eternal.
Mixed with his.
He made him eternal.
All right.
In a physical sense, though, because people now started worshiping him.
Yeah.
Once you worship something, it's like you disconnecting yourself from it. It's above you, you know.
Yeah.
It's like somewhere outside of you, so you won't recognize that thing in yourself. And what he stood for was to teach the people that is the self. We are the same. We are one.
Yeah.
You know, we are the child of God. The Christ thing, though, going back to what you were saying before, the Christ thing is Jesus is the symbol of Christ.
All right.
The person Jesus, the figure Jesus, was a symbol of Christ. But just a symbol of Christ, of what.
Which means that there is a Christ.
The Christ is in everybody.
All right.
It's a state of being.
Yeah.
It's universal. It is everything. It's to recognize the oneness of life.
So now tell me, I want to hear this from your mind, Wabon.
Yes.
Or what do you think changed between the character and
like
some of the words, some of the things that they say to Wabon?
Yes.
Hey.
The Bible was weaponized in the sense that the figure was symbolized, internalized through a symbol which is seen throughout many churches. You know, the cross.
Yeah. So as it was weaponized,
Yes. What is your question?
ke batla hore ke bo e ne weaponized for bomang against who?
For the people. For
Which
control.
people? To control everyone.
Yes.
All right.
It's
Everyone.
It's like robbing. It's like the perfect heist. Hence I'm saying
Yeah,
that person
was very smart.
Very smart. It's like robbing the people of their own power. It's the same thing as government,
Yeah.
Making the people believe that their power is in their votes.
Yeah.
And by them giving away their votes, they actually giving them their power. They're giving away their power.
Yeah.
Like they literally doing it. It's symbolic, but then it's happening.
It's happening.
You feel me? So it becomes the reality. The people, after giving away the vote, feel like the power now is not on them.
Yeah.
Now I'm free. Now they must take care of me.
For 5 years.
You feel me? So it's something like that, even with the Bible.
So tell me, my brother, I see a lot of people. Before we can close it, I see a lot of people. They believe in cross.
Yes.
One.
They believe in the symbol.
Yes, in the one because it symbolized Jesus.
Yes.
He died in that cross.
Yes.
So he died there, and the cross originally was not his.
Yes.
Yes. They came with the cross to him.
You know what I think? I don't think he died on the cross. I think he was just killed maybe in a cell.
All right.
Then they came up with the cross story. Because
now I believe that time maybe they were using crosses to hang people.
Okay. Maybe.
He was not the first.
Oh,
and he was not the last.
Yeah.
So
they made the cross famous.
So why? Yeah. And what make you believe that if you have a cross, Jesus will come to you?
Nah.
He's scared of this shit.
Exactly, because he died on that shit.
Thank you. You feel me?
Things don't make sense.
Yes. My brother. Thank you very much, my brother. I think
we are good for today.
For today, we're good, man. That's so to doesn't
shit
everything at once.
Okay.
Yeah. Some shit still have energy.
Yes.
To be trained by the body.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The nutrients.
Exactly.
It's not done.
Yeah. So
to
me, my brother,
be good.
Yeah. Can I close it?
Yes, please do.
Or you will today?
Close it. I've never closed anything before.
All right. Love you too.
I was about to. Okay, but it's fine.
Sabonga. Thank you very much. You will close it next show. Thank you very much.
We want to practice.
We love you. We respect you. Have peace in our homes, Bafethu. And zonke izinto sesivelele ngokukhanya, Bafethu. Let there be light in our people. Please don't forget to subscribe, Bafethu. Please support this channel, Bafethu. We're gonna grow. Don't worry.
Yes.
We're gonna grow. We're not curious.
Yes.
So curiosity make you grow. Otherwise, for today we are out. Thank you very much. I love